First, put one end of the thread into the other half of the roller. Insert a portion of the bearing into the roller. Open the Arlo screens need to be rolled up at the same time. The last connecting piece is different. At this time, the two sections of the roller are completely connected, then tighten the screws on the roller. Connect the signal cable and power cable according to the numbers. Note all cables should be stuffed into the roller after connection. Fix the bottom hoop to the left and right ends of the screen first.